This is Mitch King with the Thursday night, January 15th daily stock report from TradeStocksAmerica. This is the NASDAQ composite. You can see the trend line. We opened down as expected because of the Apple news and the banking concerns, but the NASDAQ did come up a net of 1.5% from yesterday's close and had a nice rebound off the bottom today. Had about a 65 point rebound off the bottom today. Let's look at Bank of America. Kind of did what I thought it could have. When it dropped below that $10 number, boy, a lot of sell limit orders just triggered off. And I mean big companies like mutual funds were just unloading this stock. And the way you guys have to understand these mutual funds, they think a lot like sheep. And they have rigid type of procedures that when stocks hit certain prices, they just sell. They don't ask questions. They don't think. They just follow that procedure. And most of the part that can keep them from getting in trouble. But it certainly doesn't make a lot of money for them because they can't micromanage those large amount of money. But look at this here. See this up here? That's 552 million shares traded on this stock. I think that's the all-time high traded on Bank of America today, or at all that happened today. Let's take a look at WFC. Really good looking type of chart here. Like it even more than Bank of America because it's the stronger bank of the two. Hasn't dropped too much below this number we saw right here. Yes, it did drop below it, but boy, this is an excellent idea here to go long, which I'm sure some of you guys did from yesterday's report, I hope. It did rebound a little bit, but it's what these tend to do is they tend to stall a little bit for a day or two at the bottom, scare a few more people out of the stock, and it gives you an opportunity to buy again tomorrow. If you haven't completed a full position that you allocate toward positions in a diversified manner, tomorrow is going to give you another chance to buy WFC, which is Wells Fargo. Here is oil prices. I'm wrong again. Never happened before. One of the few times I'm wrong, but here's the low today. I see this here. 33.20 was the low. And let's see how far back we can go to see how low that was. Had to be early 2004 or probably 2003. Okay, we're looking at this right here. May 5th, 2004 was the last time this stock oil prices was at $33. See that right there? I still think we're going to have a nice rebound this year, well in the mid-50s on this. Let's take a look at USO. And it didn't hit much. It didn't go below this number here. Tried to rebound. I think we're going to be in the mid to upper 30s here in the next couple weeks. I just hold on to all these oil stocks. You guys can throw tomatoes at me later if I'm wrong on stocks like ConocoPhillips, USO. There was that little low price oil services ETF. Was it PXJ today? Started to move a little bit. Yeah, moved off the bottom of 1039, closed at 1106. It doesn't look real sexy to you until it gets to 1250, and then you're up 20%, which is really nice. Adding RIM to the intermediate trade list. Look at that nice pop today, up 9%. Looks like this one could be a good sign for an uptrend in the coming weeks or months. I'm thinking that this Apple news of Steve Jobs resigning or on medical leave for 5 or 6 months is going to help this stock in the coming two months. So this should be an excellent opportunity to make some money on this stock. I'll look for the usual drop and pops tomorrow. And oh, by the way, First Solar moved today quite a bit. So First Solar gapped up today, and it probably moves up tomorrow with a very little pullback if it even pulls back at all. You guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you Sunday night.